LG Gram Thin and Light Laptop i7 Processor / Touchscreen LG 15Z970-A.AAS7U1. Review Deal Discount Unboxing Setup. Unbelievable, powerhouse in 1 kg with big 15.6-inch screen, best laptop ever. Exceptional machine. Everybody is going for Surface Pros, Surface Books and MacBook Pros. They all weigh at least 50% more taking into consideration the screen size. I worked with a Sony Z, 13.3 inches 920 grams, this LG is even better, also Surface Pro 3, all good machines, but this LG surpasses them overall. Unfortunately Lenovo has remained behind regarding portability, loved their machines but they are too heavy now. So, if you need a no-compromise machine with a big screen and extremely portable, this is it. 21st century computer. Only 1080 grams for a 15-inch screen and top-of-the-range specs. Granted that the screen is not 4K, don't see why anybody would need 4K for work. Especially because Windows does scaling, a sort of zoom, to make the icons and text readable because they would be too small. But in business applications this does not apply well and you see blurry content. Also if you connect the 4K laptop to a full HD screen, the scaling applies on the second monitor as well, extremely irritating. Maybe they improved this in Win 10. The design is cool, I don't like bling and shiny stuff, this laptop is simple and elegant. The body does not flex even if it is so slim, the screen flexes quite a bit. Received half-weighted comments from technical reviews for that. LG has published that this is by design, in order to make the screen resistant to falls and shocks. They have a video to prove it. Anyway, shouldn't be bothered by it. Also that screen does not have the brightness of the Surface Pro 3 for example, but for me it's enough. I work at home or at the office, so there's no bother. Before I bought it, I read some comments that it feels like cheap plastic even if it is of magnesium. Now I can say it's fine. I never buy devices for unibody design and stuff like that, I like function. I don't actually know why anybody would buy something else. This laptop is the new standard. Everybody else, Microsoft, Apple, HP, Dell, all make noise for nothing. Their comparable machines have 2 kilograms for same specs. P.S. I am so baffled, this product is the new standard and no main top 10 Ultrabook reviews mention it. It confirms to me that every big tech publication's reviews are paid. This product so blows the competition away. Overall great product, highly recommended. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.